It's been a long time since I played. Does your rank and money transfer between RHS and normal?
No.
Okay, because that was the same rank on the other one, I was wondering. Okay, cool.
Whoa, hello A10, that just...
Oh my god. I see the Gopnick. Yeah.
Ow! There's a bus one somewhere.
Nice.
Yes, nice.
Right below us, behind us.
Oh my god, dude. And them left, right, and center, man.
Oh my god, that's just 8k right there.
Yeah.
Coming towards us.
Yeah.
Straight into us.
Yeah, I'm buying another jet. Let's do it again. Can you mark it?
Oh, you hit him? Are you fucking kidding? Stabilizing. Is that a heli? Yeah, that's a heli. That's Apache. 12 o'clock.
Cappuccino? No way, I'm
Mhm.
gonna shoot it right now.
No.
It's up to you.
Just laser. That's good enough. We're almost close enough to shoot him. God, he is absolutely fucking ghost.
Cappuccini!
Oh!
God, dude.
Money, dude, that's
Cappuccini!
fucking almost 6k worth of experience. Alright, let's go back to helping Hamun.
I wanna see that sniper, dude.
Oh my fucking... Oh, they just brought another up. Do we greet it here?
Yeah.
Fucking greet that shit, dude. Let's fucking go. Yeah, we got another greedy Jojo rabbit. He's also fucking greedy as hell. Straight into this one. Oh, there was a tank that killed Jojo rabbit. Yeah, so they got tanks around. Let's just fucking try and get him. We're probably dead in a minute. Oh!
Oh!
My god, it's only you and I that can appreciate.
Oh!
Oh!
We interrupt this program to bring you...
To the left.
He's going to the
Fucking...
bush.
Yeah, you see it? Just spray over there. Left, oh, yep. You got it. Oh my god. That is absolutely ridiculous.
I'm shooting blind.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
here
he
comes
got
the tank to fucking slam him. Oh, and then a missile, okay.
This shit is absolutely armorless.
Oh.
No worries. We're fine.
I don't give a fuck. Oh.
Armor physics, dude, look at bunch of Hamut.
Bunch of Arabian airmen. I got the heli. Dude, I got the heli.
Smart.
It's coming up.
I got it.
Nice. Now the Z is here, careful.
Nothing much I can do here. I got the spawn Vic with the suicide method. There's also an Abrams to 130. Vic coming on the road. Do you see? Do we kill him? Maybe just shoot at him. There's two dudes on there.
Shoot at him.
Got one of them. Oh, you got the other one. Oh my god, that's fucking disgusting. That's disgusting as fuck. Just plunk, plunk.
To the left, ground level, left, keep turning.
I'm out of mouse pad, it doesn't turn any faster than that.
Turn!
I got him.
Which pass? Hard pass. Another heli coming out. Two helis coming from their spawn, dude. Let's go.
A little bit. The other, I can't see what the other one is. Probably too little bit.
Yeah, it is. He's right above the house. Turn left a little bit more. He's gonna pop up straight up. He's going left. Turn left more. Up left.
Okay, I'm just waiting for him to get inside my side.
Yep. There we go. The other one is the same path where the previous one. Up.
Oh, he's close to him.
Very effective technology. K60 to the left, ground level. C.
Yeah, Kevin is talking to you. Nice talk.
Oh my god. That is just money right there.
Oh, MI-24.
Or something, yeah.
MI-24 for sure. Just MI-24P.
Can I maybe redeem myself as the gunner? Or...
Yeah. You see him coming in front?
Go gunner.
Yeah, gunner? Yeah, I see him.
Get him.
Oh, what a break! He's shooting into the fucking mouth!
Hey, get him, man! You gotta kill him, man! Get
that thing! Oh, there's another jet over here.
Oh!
We hit him?